Hi everyone, Amy Love here, and I am here to share with you a couple of projects that I have been working on using the Angel Dream Crafts goodies. And I made a couple of Kilt pin wall hangings, which I haven't done in so long, and really it was just so much fun to do. I found a couple of Kilt pins in my stash and decided that Kilt pin wall hangings is what we're going to do. And everything on here is from Angel Dream Crafts except for these kilt pins, but she does have some amazing bling kilt pins over there. They're beautiful. And of course the image is also mine, and they're both of corsets. These little clay flowers she doesn't have in the store right now, but they are on their way. So yeah, so pretty much everything except for these rhinestones, but actually she will be carrying these, and they will be in the store also. So exciting. So there's that one. And then I finished this one up this morning, and I did do a process video on creating this one. If you'd like to see, you can just stay tuned. I'll tack it on at the end of this video. But the only thing I didn't put on the process video is adding the little doodads, because I just got in a zone and I totally forgot to film that part. You know, I was just enjoying the process. So I will show you some of the things that I used from Kim's store. I still have this fabulous lace, and I have just been chopping it up into pieces. So I took some of these and some of these, and those are actually in the corners. You can see the littler one is popping out here, and then the wider one I used in the corners right here, and also on this one. I love this lace. I used this beautiful dangle. On this one, I used it right here on the corner. That's what all of these beautiful flowers are on, is that beautiful dangle. And on this one, I put it on the bottom and also added some doodad flowers, because these right here are like the perfect size to put the doodad flowers on. So love. And then I used this lace. This lace is so great. So I cut off the leaf stems and the roses, and you can see some of the leaf stems peeking out around the sides, and then here's the rose. And same on here. Here's some of the leaf peeking out here, and then I use the rose right there. Such a great trim. And then on this trim, get it this way, I actually used a couple of the flowers, but mostly I used this leaf right in the middle. I cut out, and on this one, it's kind of popping out everywhere, the little pink leaves. And then I used the flower here and here. It's just such a cute detail. I love cutting these trims up. And then I cut, ooh, lace is flying everywhere. I cut some of these beautiful leaves, and you can see them right here and here. And on this one here you can see one. I know there's more around here. I think there's one back in here. So pretty. And then I love this trim that she has with the bows. So each one has a bow in the corner. Love. And then this dangle is so awesome. Look at this dangle. Love it. It is actually on both of them at the bottom because it's so great. This one I just added pearls to the bottom of, but this one I got uber carried away and added just so many crystals. I had a good time. This is my favorite dangle trim. This is all I have left of it, but Kim has plenty of it in the shop, and that is on this one, I believe. I put it on this one. Yes, that's what's hanging right here that has the flat back pearls on it. And did I use it on here? Because, I don't know, I might not have. Oh yeah, I used it right here. It's a layer above the pink tulle, and I added little crystals to it also. Pretty, pretty. There's this beautiful, I love this trim, and she doesn't have any more, and I'm sorry, but I did use it for the top of this one. It looks so good back there, all the layers. Now this, oh my gosh, this Cluny lace from her shop is all I have left. I fell in love with this. Like, I can't wait to get more of it. This is beautiful stuff. And I used it on both of these. And I put a layer of it right there. Look how pretty that is amongst the dangles. Love it so much. So I did that same thing here. Just gorgeous the way that it lays. I actually used this beautiful lace as the background for both of those. And I know there's more pieces that I used. Oh yes, I used this beautiful dainty lace to hang both of them from the Kilt pin. So that is what is there. And then I had another pink lace that I cannot find. I don't know what happened to it in the mess that I created yesterday, or I would show it to you. But I honestly just don't know. And then, so I used ribbon roses. She has tons of ribbon roses in different colors. So I used some here. She has these amazing bling pieces. And then this crown is also from her shop. Love, love it, love it, love it. And then on this one, I added another one of those. I love those so much. So I added another one of those. And then I added these beautiful pearls surrounded by rhinestones from her shop. Just gorgeous. So those are my Kilt pin wall hangings, and of course there's a link to her shop below, and I'd love you to leave me a comment and let me know what you think, and if you're interested to see how I created this one, just stay tuned, and I'll see you all in the next one.